What is up, you guys? We are back over here with another video on Tech with Forrest. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell to get all the notifications, hit the like button, hit the share button, do all those great things for me. And again, make sure you guys are hitting the hype button if you guys are on mobile. And as you guys know, this is something kind of special to have me out vlogging and stuff like that. I'm actually using something y'all will see a video about here soon, probably, depending on when I get either one of these videos up for you guys. But today we got a call from the AD at Rolex. Finally got the call. Unfortunately, it's about a watch that I already have, but I will go ahead, buy it, build that connection. My first time ever getting a call from the AD, so I want to build that connection, because as you guys know, the more you buy from them, the more likely you are to get called for other stuff and everything like that. So I'm gonna put my name on a wait list for a couple more watches that I want, and me buying the watch today will show them that, well, I'm gonna come pick it up. So it's gonna be something like a pickup vlog kind of for the tech channel as well. So that's gonna be kind of cool. Again, it is a Wimbledon, and I bought the 2024 not too long ago, and finally out of nowhere got a call for 2026. And unfortunate, because retail after tax for out the Rolex store and everything is $12,900, you guys. So paid a lot more than I should have if I would have just waited. That's why they always say patience is much better than just being on impulse. But what I can do, get the watch, I can use that towards trade value or something, because again, getting a Wimbledon for retail is extremely hard to do. So I'll be able to use it for trade bait for a later watch that I want or something like that. So probably we'll do that, hold it for a little bit, and figure out what we're going to do from there. But I'm in Atlanta, Georgia right now, going to Lenox to pick this up. So just wanted to bring you guys along with me. And I'll tell you guys too, the reason why I was probably just so impatient was mainly because I've been on this wait list, and I should have known it. For a Wimbledon, I'd be on there for a while. I've been on the wait list for a little over a year and a half. So I was like, you know what, never gonna get this call, whatever. And again, there's a lot of things that I've learned about authorized dealers and stuff like that that made me believe that there's a line way longer than I'll ever be able to pick one up. So that's kind of why I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead, do this and get it out the way. But now the things that I have learned, I probably wish I would have waited, but again, it's just part of the game, I guess. But let me know in the comment section down below if any of you guys have ever gotten a call from one of your ADs, if you guys have ever picked anything up from them. I'm genuinely curious what your experience was like and everything, because again, you're gonna see my experience, so I'm curious to see what it's like. So another plus about having an Osmo Pocket is in Lenox Mall, they're super particular about like vlogging and cameras and everything. Here, I can have it out. They don't know what it is, so they don't know if I'm vlogging or not. So yeah, that's a super plus. But headed to the store now, pick up this watch, man. All right, y'all, so we got the watch in hand, you guys. We are secured. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna check out Broadcast Hub. I'm gonna show you guys that there is a Really, really good like camera store, lighting store, and everything in Lenox Mall if you guys are ever here. So we're gonna go in there really, really quick and then get back to the house and call it a day. So yes, but we got it secured. My first purchase from the AD. I really actually might just keep this one and get rid of the other one too, honestly, because again, can't really go wrong with your first ever AD purchase. And here we have Broadcast Hub. As like New York City has B&H, we got Broadcast Hub. Like I said, you guys, New York City has B&H. We got Broadcast Hub over here in Atlanta. Again, this is in Lenox Mall. So if you guys need cameras, lenses, filters, whatever you may need, drones, whatever, they've got it. And again, we're about to head to the car, go back to the house, and that's gonna be it for that. Wanted to bring you guys along, of course, for the Rolex pickup. Again, I appreciate you guys. Thank you guys so much for absolutely everything. Love y'all. And again, if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell. Just thanks for everything. And again, appreciate y'all. And if you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell to get all the notifications. Love you guys. Hit the like button, hit the share button. I'll see y'all later.